In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Shopify payments. Adding Apple Pay to your online store is a great way to streamline the checkout process for your customers, making it faster and more convenient. Let's dive right in and get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify account. Consider this your command center where you can manage everything related to your store. Once you're in, navigate to the home section. This is the landing zone where you can access all the different areas of your Shopify store. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will make managing your store much simpler in the long run. Now, from this home base, you'll need to focus your attention on the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. This section is like the engine room of your Shopify store. Clicking on it will present you with a whole array of options related to everything from general store settings to specific e-commerce functionalities, like payments. With the settings open, look for and click on the Payments tab. Entering this section is key as it's where you control all your store's payment options. Whether you're currently using Shopify payments or another provider, this is your one-stop shop for configuring how your customers can pay for their orders. At this point, you'll want to scroll down and direct your attention to the Apple Wallet Passes section. This area is dedicated to settings for integrating with Apple's payment ecosystem. Apple Pay offers your customers a quick and secure way to check out, especially since it takes advantage of Apple's patented security technology. Selecting this option will bring you to more detailed settings. Next up, you'll see an option to customize the Apple Pay setup. Click on Customize. Customization here can vary, but essentially this is where you ensure that Apple Pay is displayed as a payment option for your customers. You won't want to miss this step as it's essential for making Apple Pay available on your store. Once you are satisfied and everything is set up just the way you like it, do not forget to click Save. This ensures that all the changes you've carefully made take effect and are applied to your Shopify store. Saving your settings is a vital part of the process. Otherwise, you might have to start over, and nobody wants that. So, there you have it. You've just enabled Apple Pay in Shopify payments. This addition is sure to enhance your customers' checkout experience, making it smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling.